Oh, kuyatshisa eKapa. Yabona eKapa bekho abafana bokwenyani like abangamaGwala. Umuntu akathi lasibona. Dinike location okanye find me in this location sibheke lwandle or let us just do something. Kekubetha but hlala amaGwala apha eKapa indlela ekutshisa ngayo. Kutshisa ndaphela nanxiba into ezimnyama zi-attractilayo. Yabo. Ndlela ekutshisa ngayo phinde ubeka lamagwala. Amagwala amadoda lapha eKapa magwala. Hello. Stanza uza don't worry. Skawara. Angeniphumule mina angiphumili ngiyalala. Mawuphumula musu to rest and wake up again. And wake up ngoku mina. Fika ndihlambe and wake up mina at all. Fika ndihlambe qoba ndilale. Ndiyaphila njani? Uphinze endlini. Tepani screen because andinani energy tepani screen na energy andina energy nispane right. Ndiyaphila njani? Tepani screen I don't have energy mina nangisekolisi nangixoxa futhi nangixoxa sinandeze ilanga elide andina energy yebo didiniwe yangilande phela lande tepani screen Pishandisi ndihlala kanjani? Don't be naughty. Enkosi sithandwa zam. You're kind of cute. Oh wow, thanks. And uthanda ubengo. Ayuthanda ubengo. Hello mnikazi wempuphu. Xoxa ke mna ke ndiyaxoxa kamna. Xoxa mna ndiyabetha. Tepani screen. Oh anyway guys, ndiphana ndacima ndiyoresta ndizilibe noba ndine-date. Or 7. Ndizilibele, yeah. Apparently one of the guys decided, but okay, no, we're not gonna be scared of this beach anymore. You understand? Ngiyaphila nami sithando. You understand? Yabo? Ndiyakuthanda nami, ndiyakuthanda apha KZN. So one guy have decided, no, fuck off, let me take you out, lasibona. Yabo? So khani ndicebise nginxibe ilokhwe because it's a kind of heart outside, but andithandi ilokhwe. I'm not a fan of ilokhwe, but ke mna ke niyayazi akho ngandifanele ndinxibe ntoni le date, nginxibe ilokhwe, nginxibe ijini, nginxibe isketi, nginxibe ntoni, but ndiyayithanda ke ijini. So khani ndicebise ke ndimamele because ndiyaphuma apha ngolanto 6:05. So I'm having 8 minutes up. Ndiyaphuma. So ndinxibe ntoni? Don't be late. It's not like ndibheke emsebenzini and stuff. I can't be late. Nobody will do anything to me. Anyway, ndiba late nasemsebenzini, nobody do anything to me. Me, I am me. I do what I want. I own the world. Uvangam. Yes. Uvuleke. Yes, town. So I don't know. Ndinxibe ilokhwe. Nginxibe ijini, nginxibe ntoni. I don't know, but yeah, it's very hot outside. Ndizawubona uba okay, yintoni ezandifanela at the moment. Yeah, qond? And kuyatshisa man, kuyatshisa. I hope uba umuntu useKapa uhleli ayithoze. Ndiyozela guys. Ndiyozela miniskirt. I don't wear miniskirt at all. Not even once you saw me with a miniskirt. Andifuna ukuyibona miniskirt. Yeah guys, andihlelanga ndiyaphuma ngoku nge6:05 ndiyolungiselela le date. I hope ndisebenzele ke le date Thixo wam. Ndidiniwe kube nditry into engazutrayeka, so I hope it will work. It will work. Ndiyakuthanda nam. Ngibuya phi? Ngibuya phi njani? Ngisaya sam ndiyolungisa ngoku. Limpopo. Yo. I'm scared. Oh, Tina, I was le date, and you're date. If ever I will turn him off, then I will turn him off. If ever he will turn me off, then he will turn me off. I can't out chick. So I'm gonna come with a feedback later on. That's why it is hamla. Yeah, I will try local but miniskirt. I said no, I would never even buy a miniskirt in a shop. I'm not a person with miniskirts. Who am I visiting? Limpopo, Yazbani. Imagine coming to you, I don't even know you. Limpopo, my parents will kill me. And my daughter will kill me. Mama fairly lazy mom. Who are you going to visit now? I understand. So guys, I love you people, follow, but I can't accept you because Ndiapuma ngonge 5:00. If ever you want to know the feedback, I'm not sure so be what time, but I'm going to longisa ne. Then Tiambe, guys, I'm tired. Tiambe. I prefer okanye ndizidrivele because if undithena off bengandiyochama kanti ndiyagoduka. Yabo, because last time what happened is I had to request because he turned me off there and then that I'm coming. That request and I fuck off. Yabo. So now I hope this guy won't turn me off. But anyway, I think it's a good idea. Makandizi ambele. Asitibana khona. Yeah, naiva. Huh? Ube live ku date please. Hayi bo Zondi. Zondi ungixabanisa namadoda ungixabanisa. Bye guys, let's meet up soon. I'm not sure I'm gonna come back what time. But I'll come back with a feedback. Can me do a refresher. After a shower I'll feel better than this, but I'm very tired to be